What is going on, guys? So today's Saturday. It is about like 8 a.m. right now, and we're about to be installing some coilovers on the BRZ today. I ordered some BC Racing coilovers. I upgraded the springs to Swift springs, so I'm excited to see how they look. I haven't opened them. I've had these coilovers sitting in my garage for about a year, or a little bit more than a year. And today's the day we're gonna install them, because I'm so tired of this wheel gap that I have. Take a look. That's very unacceptable. Let's go to the rear. Yeah, that's no bueno. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this today on my own, so hopefully I don't need any help today, but I'm sure I can do it. Let's get to unboxing the new coilovers to see how nice they look, and then we'll get started. Let's see, let's grab one. Let's grab one of these. Okay. They look nice. They look nice. These are the rears. Here's the Swift spring. I don't know if you can really see that, but yeah, these are upgraded springs. They look really, really nice. I'm gonna set these at hard first before I put them on, because I don't want it to bottom out if I leave them at soft. And then I'm gonna adjust the dampening once I have them on. But yeah, my first impressions, really, really nice coilover. Really nice. I'm not gonna mess with the height at all, so I'm going to install these just how they came in, and see how low they get. Yeah, guys. So here are the adjustable end links. There's 2 of them. And here are the spanner wrenches. This is pretty nice though. Let me show you guys. It says BC Racing. That's really nice. Alright, so here they are. This is how they were packaged. I just moved this. That was on top of here. Yeah, here is everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna loosen up the wheels, jack up the car, and let's get started with installing these coilovers. Alright guys, so the wheels are off. There goes the stock suspension. Alright, so let's get to installing the coilovers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys me doing one in the front and one in the rear. Alright guys, so I did the other side, the passenger side front, just to see how everything comes off, and it's pretty simple. All you have to do is take off 2 bolts right here, take off the end link, and then 2 clips on the side of the strut that hold the speed sensor. Then you have to remove the brake line, which is just 1 bolt, and then after that, all of this will be free. And then you have to take off 3 nuts on top of the strut, and then it will completely come off. It's that simple to remove your struts off of the BRZ. So let me get started. There goes the speed sensor. Put that back there. Let's take off the end link. That'll be a 17, I believe. Yeah, 17. Put an Allen key. Everything is removed. Well, the speed sensor cable is out of the way. I just have to remove the bolt that holds the brake line. So I have to remove that. Then this would be free. And then all I have to do is remove these two right here. Those two bolts. And then all of this will be free. And then we have to just remove these top 3 nuts. And then it comes out. So I'll see you guys once I'm at that point. Alright guys, so I got the strut out. Everything came out pretty nicely. So yeah, let's put in the new coilover. Oh, and before I forget, you have to transfer this little clip onto the coilover. Alright, let's get to installing the coilover. Alright guys, so the coilovers have little labels, and I don't know, it's probably not gonna focus. As always. There you go. So this is the front left. Just to let you guys know, they let you know which one's the left side and the right side. So let's get these in. Alright, now that the coilover is tightened from the top, let's raise this knuckle up and put it onto the coilover. Alright, so currently I'm adjusting my end links. I read through a couple forums that people recommended to put the link the same size as the stock one. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so I got the first one adjusted. Now before I put this one on, I'm going to go grab the other one and adjust it the same length as this one, so they could both be the same. So I'll check back in with you guys once I have them installed. Alright, so I put the end link on the other side, and I'm going to put this one on this side. So what I'm doing is I got the length down, right? And I'm not going to tighten these nuts yet, just so it could adjust itself while it's on there. And I found out that it's a lot easier to tighten this down while it's up already and tightened from up here on the ends. So yeah, put this on, tying the outer nuts, and then tying the inner nuts. So let's do that. Alright, it's all tying down. Now to tying the inner nuts. Alright guys, now for the rears. I'm sorry about the noise. People are deciding to cut their grass right now for some reason when it's really hot outside. But anyways, here is the strut. Man, that light is too bright. Hold on. Okay, so I started the other side, but I can't put it on because the end link is gonna come up higher than this height. So I have to unbolt this in order to do the other side, because there's no way I can do it. So yeah, all you have to do, literally all you have to do is unbolt this nut, well, unscrew this nut and unscrew that nut, and then you tap in, oh my bad, you guys can't see, then you tap in these two bolts in and they'll come straight out. And then after you're done doing that, I'm gonna show you a trick on how to remove this strut without help. Okay, so I figured it out and you can actually do this on your own. Alright guys, so I've taken off all the bolts and nuts. It's loose. Sorry about the noise, man. But here it goes. This is how you do it. You hold the strut and you push it up. While you're holding the strut, pushing it up, you want to put your foot on the rotor, and then you can easily push it out of the way. And since the bottom of the strut is going to be like kind of stuck, I would use like WD-40 to loosen it up, or PV Blaster, which is what I'm going to use, and that should be able to make it slide up so you can push it out. And that's how you do it. Alright guys, so here's the coilover. You want to install the rears with the sticker facing in, so the dampening could be facing the correct way. Once it's inside, it will be right to go hard and left to go soft, and the BC logo will be facing the right way. So yeah, you need the jack to jack it up since they're really short, as you can see, and then you want to tighten up the top nuts, and then put on the bottom bolt, the end links, and then we're done. Alright guys, so there she is. She's all tightened up from the top. And so now we have both sides, both the lower control arms loose. So we have to put the end link first, and then we'll bolt the bottom of the coilover. So let me get that done, and then I'll show you guys around the whole car. So I'm done. So let me show you guys around how it looks. Here she is. Here's the top. Let's go to the back. And look at that. That wheel is gonna be sitting low. Here's the coilover. So what I'm going to do, put them all on full hard, and then probably from there go down probably like, I don't know, I would say like maybe 5 to 6 clicks down to soft, so they won't be super hard. So yeah, I'm gonna do that to the front and rear, and then I'm gonna see how it feels. So yeah, and what's going on guys, so it's the next day. So today's Sunday. I was not able to drop the car down because I didn't have any wood, and this car looks super low already just up in the air, so I wasn't going to risk my jack getting stuck underneath the car. So I just got back from Home Depot. I cut a couple pieces of wood. Here they are. Got 4 pieces, and the reason I got them this long is because I'm going to be making some ramps. So in the future, if I ever want to jack up my car, I can just put it on top of the ramps and then, you know, use my floor jack to raise it up. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. Wow, it was zoomed in. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting the pieces of wood, dropping the car down, and then after that I'm going to show you guys how it looks outside. Alright guys, so here she is, all lowered. No more wheel gap. which is perfect. Look how low she sits. So that about does it for today's video, guys. I really love how the BRZ turned out. I love how low it is and how there's no wheel gap. It actually makes the car look a lot better. And I'm very excited to put on my new wheels, which I should be doing in probably a week or two. And I'll be making a video on that, so keep an eye out for that video. So yeah, guys, please leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Leave a like on the video. Please share around, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.